It's normal to feel anxious or scared about giving birth. If you're having a hard time, there are things you can try to feel better. Here are some positive ways to get ready for labor, along with honest advice from people who have experienced it. One of the best ways to reduce anxiety and feel more confident about childbirth is to learn about it. You might want to take childbirth classes. These classes teach you about the different stages of labor, pain relief options, and helpful breathing techniques. They often give you hands-on practice and expert advice, which can make you feel more ready and confident. Reading books and articles from trusted sources can also help you understand what to expect during labor and delivery. The more you learn, the more in control you'll feel, which can reduce fear and help you handle whatever comes up. Knowledge is a great way to feel calm and confident as you approach this big moment. Before we continue to the next tip on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health-related information through our videos. Creating a birth plan is a good way to share your preferences with your healthcare team. While it's important to know that things might change during labor, having a plan can help you feel more prepared. Start by thinking about your pain relief options, like whether you want an epidural, medication, or natural methods. Decide who you'd like to have with you during labor, such as a partner, family member, or doula, and what kind of environment you'd prefer, like dim lighting or calming music. You can also choose your preferred positions for labor, like standing, sitting, or lying down. However, it's important to stay flexible. Birth can be unpredictable, and things may not go exactly as planned. Being open to changes and adjusting your plan will help you stay calm and focused, no matter how labor goes. Packing your hospital bag early is a smart way to reduce stress and be ready when it's time to go. For yourself, bring comfortable clothes for labor and after, along with toiletries like toothpaste, deodorant, and hair ties to stay fresh. Don't forget your birth plan so it's easy to reach, and pack some snacks to keep your energy up during labor. For the baby, pack a few sets of clothes like onesies, socks, and a hat, plus diapers and wipes to keep them clean. A car seat is also a must. Make sure it's installed and ready for the trip home. Packing everything in advance will give you peace of mind and help you focus on the experience when the big day comes. Arranging for support is an important part of preparing for labor. First, decide who you want with you during the birth. It could be your partner, a close friend, or a family member who can offer emotional support and help you stay calm. Having someone you trust by your side can make you feel more comfortable and confident. If you have other children, plan ahead for their care during labor and delivery. Ask a trusted friend, family member, or neighbor to look after them while you're at the hospital. This way, you can focus on your labor without worrying about your children. Having your support system ready will help you feel confident as you go through this special and sometimes intense experience. Knowing the signs of labor is important for knowing when it's time to go to the hospital. Start by learning how to recognize contractions. Early labor usually begins with mild, irregular contractions that get stronger and closer together over time. Other signs to watch for include your water breaking, which can feel like a gush or steady trickle of fluid, and the loss of your mucus plug, which may appear as thick, sticky discharge. These are all common signs that labor may be starting. Timing your contractions is key to knowing when to head to the hospital. Your doctor will give you guidelines on when to go based on how often and intense your contractions are. Knowing these signs will help you feel more confident and prepared when it's time to act. Preparing mentally for labor is just as important as getting ready physically. One of the best ways to stay calm during labor is by practicing relaxation techniques before the big day. Deep breathing, visualization, or meditation can help reduce stress and keep you focused. These techniques calm your mind, lower anxiety, and help you stay positive. It's also important to stay flexible during labor. While having a birth plan is helpful, understand that things might not go as expected. Birth can be unpredictable, and being open-minded allows you to adjust to changes as they happen. Keep a positive attitude, knowing you can handle whatever comes your way. Staying active during pregnancy is a great way to get your body ready for labor and reduce stress. Safe exercises like walking, swimming, and prenatal yoga help keep you fit and flexible, which can make labor easier. These activities also improve circulation and promote relaxation, helping you feel better overall. Pelvic exercises are especially helpful for preparing your body for delivery. Movements like pelvic tilts, squats, and Kegels can help open the pelvis and strengthen the muscles needed for birth. Staying active and adding these exercises to your routine can improve your endurance, flexibility, and overall health as your due date gets closer. Talking about your birth preferences with your doctor or midwife is an important part of getting ready for labor. It's a good idea to have an open conversation about what you want for your labor and delivery, like your choices for pain relief, whether you want an epidural, medication, or prefer a more natural approach. Be sure to discuss any medical procedures you may or may not want, such as inductions, episiotomies, or forceps. By sharing these preferences, your healthcare team can support your choices and help make the birth experience more in line with your wishes. It's also important to understand that your plan might need to change as labor progresses. Clear communication will help you feel empowered and supported during the process. Taking care of yourself before labor is important for both your well-being and energy levels. Getting plenty of rest is one of the best things you can do leading up to the big day. Labor can be long and tiring, so being well-rested will give you the strength and energy you need. Along with rest, eating nourishing foods is just as important. A balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains will provide your body with the energy it needs during labor. Staying hydrated is also essential. When you take care of your body, you'll feel more ready and able to handle the challenges of labor. Preparing your home for your baby's arrival is an important part of getting ready for labor. Start by setting up the baby's space, whether it's a full nursery or a designated area for their things. Make sure you have the essentials like a crib, changing table, and storage for clothes and diapers. This will help you feel more organized and less stressed once your baby arrives. It's also important to plan for postpartum support. Arrange for help with household tasks, cooking, and personal care after the birth. Whether it's a family member, friend, or hired help, having someone assist you during the early days will let you focus on resting and bonding with your newborn. By preparing your home in advance, you create a more comfortable and supportive environment for both you and your baby. We hope these tips help you feel more prepared and confident as you approach the big day. Don't forget to rest, stay active, and communicate openly with your healthcare team to make the experience as positive as possible. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with other moms-to-be. And feel free to leave any questions or tips you have in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Best of luck on your journey to motherhood.